What's up, y'all? Welcome back. We're back with another tutorial. So this is my birthday wig. We did a no baby hair look, bust down. So you already know we started with the ball cap. I already did the ball cap off camera. Put the wig on, fitting it on my head. And y'all, I do have a low hairline, so it's a lot. But yeah, so we're gonna put this right on my head. And then I'm putting on the makeup that I put on my ball cap. I'm putting that right onto my lace. And then I'm just going back in and just touching up my ball cap, being extra per usual. And now I'm applying my 4 layers of lace glue. And do not talk about my comb because she gets the job done. But yeah, I did 4 layers of lace glue. And after the 4th one has dried, I am going to go ahead and lay the lace down. Y'all, I could not lay the lace down without looking like... I had to go in the mirror and do it. But you just lay the lace down where you laid the glue at. And then I put my lace band on. And now we're about to get into the hair. I already pre-curled it just to make my life a bit easier. And plus, I recorded this at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Like, I did this at 2 a.m. But... yeah, because I had to leave for my flight at like 6. So, yeah, I'm just combing out those curls because I was going for like a loose curl. Giving the girls, yeah. And if you see me keep looking off to the side, I'm looking at my phone because I don't have a mirror in front of me. So I was looking at my phone. And I was also recording a TikTok at the same time, so yeah. Alright, and now we're about to get into cutting the lace off. I went ahead and pinned my hair up and took the band off. Then I make sure that is giving scalp before I start cutting. And as you can see, yes, so you want to just go ahead and cut in an up and down motion. So I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Give a shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Maybe still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night I'm on the list, T-Pain +3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Drunk and now I know she thinks I'm cool.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubby, look around. Find one that seems my type. Yeah, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday.
And that's how you slay a no baby hair frontal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and share.
Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?